I'm Catherine Gorham. In this video, I'll show you how recurring schedules work in Minglio and how they help you stay consistent without planning everything manually. Recurring schedules allow you to automatically create future content slots based on a pattern. This is where your schedules live. Each one defines what you want to create, how often, and when it runs. For example, this schedule is set to create a YouTube video every Monday at 9:09 a.m. and every Friday at 2:00 p.m. The next one is set to Facebook and a short every Wednesday at 2 p.m. Now, let's walk through creating a new schedule. In the upper right corner, click on the plus New Creation Schedule button. Fill in the schedule name and time. I like to use coding that tells me exactly from the name what the recurring schedule does. Whatever works for you. I'm going to do a YouTube short every Thursday at 6 p.m. Add a description if you'd like. Next is the platform. I select YouTube, and then the content type is short. The posting schedule frequency pattern. Select the frequency that matches your desired schedule. In our example, it's every Thursday at the same time. So we will use fixed days, same time. Below that, you will select the day or multiple days if that's your desired schedule. Next, fill in the time of day for this slot. Once you fill in the time, you must take one additional step. You must click the button plus add time to add this time to your configuration. Below that, the generation settings. This is how far ahead would you like the recurring scheduler to slot these posts on your calendar. I'm selecting 30 days. Next is the start date and end date. I'll select my start date as April 23rd. I want this to be a recurring schedule, so I will leave the end date empty so that Minglio will automatically generate the ongoing schedule at the appropriate time. Click Create Schedule. The newly created schedule is in your list. YouTube short, Thursday, 6 p.m. Currently, it is not scheduled to regenerate. We see that here. And under last generation column, we see that it has never generated. Once they are generated, you will see a date in each of these columns. Next is the status button. In this case, it's ready to go, to be generated. Hover over the icon with the pencil and paper, and you will see Edit. Clicking this reopens the form so that you make edits. The lightning bolt is the tool to generate slots for the very first time. Future slot generation will be automatic. Next is the duplicate button, the archive button, and the trash can for delete. There is one more icon, but it only appears after you have generated slots, and that is the pause and resume button. Let's generate our first slots to the calendar. Select the row for the schedule you want to work with. Click on the lightning bolt for that schedule. A pop-up appears, and review that for accuracy. Click Generate Slots. It now shows active. Those slots immediately show up in your calendar. We started them April 23rd. Here they are. So instead of starting from scratch, everything's already laid out for you. The date, the time, the platform, and the content type. You just need to step in and complete the form. Think of this as your placeholder and reminder. This removes the need to plan the same content over and over. You'll use recurring schedules for anything that you do consistently. Set it once, and Minglio builds it out for you so you can focus on creating instead of planning.